I wanted to come to you guys today. I was taking a look at CNBC and they were talking about really the uncertainty and the crisis that's going on in the market right now. And I wanted to share something with you guys. Never waste a good crisis. There's always opportunities for you guys in this market, regardless of what's going on with your investments, your 401k, IRA, the stock market. We focus on real estate, but there's massive opportunities either now or coming available more in the real estate world. And I'm talking very specific real estate. I'm talking multifamily, commercial real estate, institutional quality real estate. That opportunity right now is massive because the big boys are sitting on the sidelines. They can't play. They're raising money, but they're also riding the ship, so to speak, for the assets they already have. I mean, they got to clean them up, do what they got to do, get them either off their books or refinance. That's the opportunity. Problem is never before has the everyday investor had the opportunity to step into that game, right? So like we have a fund that opportunity came available with the Jobs Act for us to be able to, market to the public to go to. I've always raised money for my investors and partners and, friends and stuff like that. So like this isn't new. I've always done that. Raise money, buy a deal, pay my investors and my partners really good, make us a bunch of money. But now is the opportunity to take advantage of, you know, institutional larger assets, but I can do it with more people now. So if you aren't paying attention to the opportunity for you to do it with more people, like you don't have to be the person out there doing your own deals. You can take your money and invest as a limited partner in the deal and take advantage of this current crisis where the whole world is gridlocked. Either it's in stocks, it's in bonds, and also bigger real estate. Some stuff can't move. Now, everybody's not struggling. There's businesses that are having a tough time with the tariffs that just came out and some uncertainty, and there's businesses who are thriving right now. But I can tell you some of the markets that are some of the business opportunities in the industries that are continuing to thrive during this crisis typically are going to be in finance, lending money, like business loans. I know my buddy Ryan Stewman has Closure Capital. I'm going to fill you in that. If you need any additional working capital for your business, let us know. We can refer you to them. And then also, right now, insurance, people investing money in insurance to be able to use that as a wealth vehicle, that's thriving right now. Let's see what else. Fixed investments, fixed income investments, things like that, that are like, hey, look, we're giving this, and those things are going to continue to thrive in a market like this. And commercial grade multifamily real estate. That is going to be the stable asset to continue to invest in over long periods of time if you can get in. So like guys like myself are looking for deals. We've made offers on deals. We're always looking at deals, making, really dealing with our connections with our brokers because we see stuff like this. Look at that. That's Verizon down. Like, so think about that, man. If your retirement account, if your 401k IRA was tethered to the stock market right now, unfortunately, a lot of people are out there taking a beating and taking a hit with what's going on. But what I wanted to say is, look, stay on top of it. It's temporary. These things only last for a moment. But if you don't take advantage of the moment that's happening, you can't win. So if you have money sitting in savings, not doing anything, I'm telling you, get it invested in something long term, get it invested in something that cash flows, something that appreciates over time, that you can actually force appreciation or you could control the appreciation, unlike this, where there's those up and down. Look at that graph, up and down and up and down. Even though they extended it out and they're showing it green, it's red right now. Stats don't lie. The data doesn't lie. That's that's crazy. And then also something that has great tax advantages. I think Trump is trying to roll out another another bill about taxes and possibly bringing back 100% depreciation, which is massive for real estate investors like you. Which means that if we buy a property, we may be able to depreciate that asset in year one, 100%. Hopefully, they bring that back or a good portion of it. And if you're an investor in that as a partner or a limited partner, you get the benefits of that because that flows back to you on all the investors, and you can offset the taxes that you have, possibly. So those things are coming. Like, but you want to take advantage of them. And unfortunately, you don't want to be a person that sits on the sidelines for so long that you miss taking advantage of the opportunity, which is never waste a good crisis, right? Because unlike last time, we couldn't see what was happening until we got out of it. We all see this. We're all living it. And as investors, entrepreneurs, professionals, all of those things, we get the opportunity now to be able to move our way into what it is that I believe is going to be the biggest opportunity in my lifetime from 2025 all the way up into probably about 2027, 28, guaranteed. So I'm looking forward to helping you guys. Again, I said this really more of a, it was more data driven, but it was a lot of hopefully inspiring to you, to just remind you, never waste a good crisis. Now is the time for you to do something, whether it's business, whether your investments, whether it's, pressing forward, taking market share with the company that you have, or even if you work at a job, find something that you can do inside of the place that you work and blow up a department, raise your status in that department by helping the company make more money. That's so important. All right. So I hope this helps, man. You guys have a great day today. Let me know how I can help. Like this video, share this video, comment on the video, man. I appreciate you guys. And let's get after it. Let me know if you need anything. Have a great day. Boom.